in court. Judge Weimer denies it. Mustafa stood in court and told him, Your Honor, I have no problem with my lawyer. All I'm asking is for my discovery and that she promised me that she was going to file a bond. Is she lying to me? I need an answer out of my lawyer. Every time I see her, she tells me, I'm going to file a bond for you. And then I'm finding out that she is not filing a bond. I'm asking for my discovery. I'm asking for my independent experts that they were going to reconstruct my vehicle, inspect the dash camera. I'm asking for the bond that she promised me. Is she lying to me? I don't want her to withdraw. Judge Weimer denied the withdrawal of Gene Brown. Explain to me how a lawyer is now making contact, video contact with Mustafa 3 times this week. He video calls into the jail and talks to Mustafa, and he's telling him, hey, Mustafa, I'm your new lawyer. What do you mean you're his new lawyer? Gene Brown is his lawyer. He's been waiting for her for 6 months. I mean, imagine 6 months in solitary confinement. You're waiting for Gene Brown, this lawyer, to go through your evidence, to sit down with you over the evidence, to get the independent expert to reconstruct the evidence, to file a bond for you, and then all of a sudden, she files a withdrawal, and the judge denies it. And then here, another lawyer comes in, and he's like, Mustafa, I'm your new lawyer. What do you mean? The lawyer, I never asked for a new lawyer. I never asked for my lawyer to withdraw. The judge denied this lawyer to withdraw. Are you telling me that there are ex parte conversations happening behind Mustafa's back? If I remember correctly, in a criminal case, it's illegal to have ex parte conversations. What are ex parte conversations? Ex parte, a judge cannot have a conversation with the prosecutor by herself without Mustafa. A judge cannot have a conversation with Mustafa without the prosecutor. They all have to be there so that everybody know what kind of conversation is that the judge is having. It's illegal to have ex parte conversation. Explain to me how. The judge denied Gene Brown to withdraw, but here a lawyer coming in and telling Mustafa, hey, Mustafa, on Friday, the hearing that we're going to have, the decision is already made. The decision is already made by who exactly? You're telling me you're going to let a lawyer just withdraw out of Mustafa's case? Mustafa has been in solitary confinement for 6 months waiting for that lawyer. By now, he's been in solitary for 4 years altogether. So, is Gene Brown with Morrison and Morrison terrified that she's going to go up to the county, up to the prosecutor, and ask for the missing exculpatory evidence when the correctional officer went in and beat Mustafa? Is that one of the reasons that Gene Brown is withdrawing out of this case? Because she promised Mustafa she's going to file a bond. Mustafa have every right to a bond. Remember, details that are coming out of this case show that this is a car accident and the county lied about Mustafa. And now, evidence is coming out that show the jail lied about Mustafa. Mustafa is entitled to a bond. And this lawyer is in a position. If she goes up against the county, if she goes up to the county and asks for the CCTV video, she's going to compromise our county jail that brings in $60 million, a private entity. Is Gene Brown leaving this case because she's terrified and she doesn't want to go up against a county? The minute she filed Mustafa's bond, she's going to have access to a CCTV video that starts at 9:30 a.m. That's going to confirm what the witness is talking about on a recorded line, that correctional officer went in and beat Mustafa, that there was no threat. that Mustafa is talking about they went in and beat him, and they kicked and stepped on his religious items. It sure looks like Gene Brown is not willing to go up against this county.